Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया's largest diagnostics company, Agilus Diagnostics. खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो.
With the new year upon us, many of you may have started your fitness journey. Some might have already joined the gym and are focusing on their diet, while others might still be struggling to get out of bed and follow a healthy routine. We all know that weight loss isn't easy, especially when the winter weather makes you want to curl up in bed with hot chocolate and comfort food. But for those of you who are committed to getting fit and shedding those extra pounds this year, I have got some great tips for you. Hi everyone, welcome to Fit Tak. In today's episode of Eat Right, I will be sharing 8 winter foods that will help keep you fit during the colder months. These foods are not only easy to include in your diet, but they are also delicious depending on how you prepare them. Stay tuned till the end of the video and you will have plenty of options to explore to keep your body fit this winter. Oats. Oats are a fantastic winter food that offers a warm, hearty start to your day. Rich in fiber, they help keep your body full for longer and stabilize blood sugar levels. They're also great for digestion and heart health. You can enjoy them in a form of oatmeal, add them to smoothies or bake them in healthy snacks. With endless ways to prepare oats, they are both nutritious and versatile for your winter diet. Almonds. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, protein and fiber, making them a great snack to curb hunger and support weight loss. These nutrient-dense nuts also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and improve heart health. You can enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads or use almond butter smoothies for an extra boost of energy this winter. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a powerhouse fruit that's high in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It helps boost immunity, improve digestion and support heart health. The seeds are also rich in fiber, making them a great addition to your diet for weight loss. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds over salads, yogurt or enjoy them as a snack for a refreshing and nutritious treat. Ginger. Ginger is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to improve digestion. It helps boost metabolism and can aid in fat burning, making it a great addition to your winter weight loss plan. You can add ginger to hot teas, soups, smoothies, or even use it in a cooking to bring a warm, zesty flavor to your meals while supporting your health. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden spice that contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory benefits. It supports metabolism, reduces inflammation, and improves digestion. Adding turmeric to your winter meals can enhance the flavor while providing health benefits. You can use it in curries, soups, or warm drinks like golden milk for a comforting and health-boosting treat. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are small but mighty, packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. They absorb liquid and expand, helping you feel fuller for longer and supporting healthy digestion. These tiny seeds can be added to smoothies, overnight oats, salads, or yogurt for a nutrient-dense snack. They're perfect for weight loss and can easily be added into your daily routine. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent low-calorie vegetable rich in fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants. They also help improve vision, support immunity, and aid digestion. Carrots are perfect for winter as they can be enjoyed raw, as a snack, roasted, or added to soups and stews. They're a healthy, crunchy snack to keep you satisfied and help with weight management. Millets. Millets are a highly nutritious grain that's rich in fiber, protein, and essential minerals. They're a great alternative to rice and wheat, offering a lower glycemic index that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Millets are perfect for winter as they can be used in warm porridge, salads, or as a side dish. They support digestion, boost energy, and help keep you feeling full, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. Including these foods in your diet will definitely support your weight loss goals. However, remember that just adding these foods won't be enough for a sustainable weight loss. It's important to stay active by adding exercise and cardio into your routine. If hitting the gym feels overwhelming, try going for a run or jog. Remember, weight loss is about both diet and exercise. I hope you found today's video helpful. Share your thoughts in the comments below and keep watching Fit Tak.